Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Whether you're an aerial photography enthusiast, a seasoned drone pilot, or just getting started with flying, today's video is just for you. We're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2024. This year, drones have reached new heights literally and figuratively with cutting-edge technology, incredible features, and performance upgrades that will blow your mind. From drones designed for professional filmmakers to compact models perfect for beginners, there's something for everyone on this list. So, stick around as we break down the top drones of 2024 and help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 1. DJI Mini 2SA. The DJI Mini 2SA is a budget-friendly drone that offers a lot of value for beginners and hobbyists. It is a compact and lightweight drone that does not require FAA registration, making it easy to fly anywhere. It has a 12-megapixel camera that can record smooth 2.7K video at 30 FPS and a 3-axis gimbal that stabilizes the footage. It also has a long flight time of around 30 minutes, and a USB-C charging system for convenience. The DJI Mini 2SA is not the most advanced drone in the market, but it still outperforms many of its competitors in this price range. It has a dedicated remote controller that is ergonomically designed and easy to operate, and it supports OSI, USY, NC 2.0 technology that provides a stable and clear live video feed up to 10 kilometers away. It also has some user-friendly features, such as quick shots, video modes, auto takeoff and landing, and level 5 wind resistance. The DJI Mini 2 does have some limitations. However, it does not have obstacle detection sensors, which means you must be careful when flying near obstacles. It also does not have some of the camera features that the Mini 2 has, such as 4K resolution, true vertical shooting, and hyperlapse. Moreover, the SDR video profile may not be ideal for some scenes that require more dynamic range overall. The DJI Mini 2SA is a great drone for beginners who want to enjoy aerial photography and videography without breaking the bank. It offers most of the features and performance of the Mini 2, but for significantly less money. It is a solid product that delivers smooth and high-quality footage, and it is fun and easy to fly. Number 2. DJI Avata 2 Fly More. The next one on our list is DJI Avata, a remarkable drone that combines ease of use, impressive camera capabilities, and immersive flight experiences. The Avata boasts a sleek design with dimensions of 180 by 180 by 80 millimeters and a takeoff weight of approximately 410 grams. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and maneuver, whether you're flying in open spaces or tight environments. The Avata features a 12-megapixel 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor with an equivalent focal length of 12.7 millimeters and 155 degrees FOV to capture stunning photos and videos during your flights with resolutions up to 4K at 60 FPS and 2.7K at 100 FPS. The video transmission quality is excellent. With a bit rate of up to 150 megabits per second, the drone offers a maximum flight time of approximately 18 minutes, allowing you to explore the skies without frequent battery changes, with a flight range extending up to 11.6 kilometers. The Avatar lets you venture far and wide. It can reach speeds of up to 14 meters per second in sport mode, providing an adrenaline-packed experience. The Avatar features a single-axis gimbal for tilt stabilization, ensuring smooth video footage. Its intelligent flight modes, including Rock Steady and Horizon Steady, enhance stability during flight, and the one-handed controller is intuitive and responsive, making it easy for beginners to pilot the drone. The Avatar incorporates binocular vision and 2F senses for precise hovering and obstacle avoidance. It can detect and avoid obstacles within a range of 0.5 to 20 meters. The drone's propeller guard enhances safety during flights. Pair the Avata with DJI FPV goggles for an immersive first-person view experience. Recommended microSD cards include SanDisk Extreme U3V, 30, or other similar spec memory cards. The DJI Avata strikes a balance between performance and accessibility, making it an excellent choice for those new to FPV flying. While it may not match the speed of its FPV sibling, its camera quality and agility set it apart. Whether you're capturing breathtaking aerial shots or exploring new horizons, the Avatar delivers an exciting and user-friendly experience. Number 3. Autel Robotics EVO Nano. Our next pick is Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus, a compact and powerful camera drone that punches above its weight. The EVO Nano Plus weighs only 249 grams, making it fall under the sub-250 gram category. This lightweight design allows it to bypass many drone regulations worldwide, available in elegant, Arctic white, sleek, deep space gray, bold, blazing red, or classic Auteur. The Nano Plus offers style choices for every enthusiast. Equipped with a by 1.28-inch CMOS sensor, the Nano Plus captures stunning 50-megapixel photos. The ruby color filter array design and large aperture of 1.9 ensure superior noise reduction and excellent low-light performance. The PDAF plus DAF autofocus system tracks fast-moving subjects with precision, while HDR mode enhances details in extreme lighting conditions. The Nano Plus records ultra-sharp 4K 30fps video using its 48-megapixel camera. A 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures stable footage even in challenging conditions. The Autel Skylink image transmission system provides a range of up to 6.2 miles and superior anti-interference capabilities, with a maximum flight time of 28 minutes. The Nano Plus offers extended aerial exploration. Number 4. DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact drone that packs a punch for both beginners and professionals. The DJI Mini 4 Pro weighs less than 249 grams, making it incredibly portable and exempt from many registration requirements in various countries. Its compact, folded dimensions of 148 by 94 by 64 mm allow you to carry it easily wherever you go. The Mini 4 Pro boasts 4K video recording at 60 fps, ensuring stunningly clear footage. It also supports slow-motion recording at 4K and 100 fps, perfect for capturing dynamic moments. Night mode enhances low-light performance, allowing you to shoot even in challenging conditions. The drone's innovative true vertical shooting feature enables you to capture vertical panoramas with ease, whether it's towering landscapes or skyscrapers. The Mini 4 Pro delivers impressive vertical shots and avoids collisions effortlessly with obstacle sensors on all sides, whether you're flying forward, backward, or sideways. The Mini 4 Pro keeps you safe. The new manual mode enhances active tracking, allowing you to manually control the drone while tracking a subject. Capture dynamic shots of moving objects with precision and creativity with up to 34 minutes of flight time. Using the intelligent flight battery, you'll have ample time to explore and capture breathtaking aerial views. The Mini 4 Pro also supports an even longer flight time of 45 minutes with the intelligent flight battery, plus enjoy seamless connectivity with a transmission range of up to 20 kilometers, whether you're exploring scenic landscapes or monitoring construction sites. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Pro with RC. The last one on our list is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a flagship camera drone that takes aerial photography and videography to new heights. The Mavic 3 Pro boasts a tri-camera setup, combining 3 distinct focal lengths for versatile shooting. Hasselblad camera equipped with a 4x3 CMOS sensor. This camera offers an effective resolution of 20 megapixels. It features a 24mm equivalent lens with a field of view of 84 degrees and aperture ranging from f2.8 to f11, and a focus distance from 1 meter to infinity. Medium telecamera with a 70mm equivalent focal length. This camera has a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. It captures both 48-megapixel and 12-megapixel photos, supports up to 4K 60p video, and offers 3x optical zoom. It also supports the Pro's new D, Log, and M color mode telecamera. This camera provides a 166mm equivalent focal length and features a half-inch CMOS sensor with a 12-megapixel resolution. Its aperture is f3.4, and it focuses from 3 meters to infinity. The Mavic 3 Pro can stay airborne for an impressive 43 minutes, making it ideal for capturing extended aerial footage. It covers up to 28 kilometers in a controlled environment, ensuring you can explore vast areas with a wind resistance of 12 meters per second. It remains stable even in challenging weather conditions. Vertical accuracy is plus or minus 0.1 meters with vision positioning and or minus 0.5 meters with GNSS positioning. Horizontal accuracy is plus or minus 0.3 meters with vision positioning and or minus 0.5 meters with a high-precision positioning system. The Mavic 3 Pro includes obstacle sensors to prevent collisions during flight and advanced pilot assistance. Feature helps you capture challenging shots effortlessly. Hyperlapse active track and quick shot modes let you create dynamic time-lapse videos, track moving subjects, and capture cinema shots with ease. The standard Mavic 3 Pro comes with 8 GB of internal storage. The Mavic 3 Pro Cine version offers a whopping 1 TB of internal storage. That's all for now. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. Also don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this one. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.